In this video, we are going to show you how to embed a YouTube gallery in Elfsight. Now, if you want to do this, all you need to do is sign into your account. And once you're logged in on the main page, you want to look at the main options here on the top portion. So you want to hover your mouse on the widgets page. So it's going to show you this, right? So when you are here, you want to go to video. And then there are two options, Vimeo Gallery and YouTube Gallery. So you want to choose YouTube Gallery, of course. And here you can create a widget for free, no credit card needed. So we want to click this. There we go. And it's going to bring us to this page right here. We are going to choose a template. If you want a YouTube gallery, we want to go find video gallery or playlist. Either way works. So we're just going to go with video gallery like so. And here you can edit the widget, right? You can just pretty much add as much as you want here, right? You can pretty much do this, right? You can also see the mobile view, right? Continue with this template. There we go. And then again, add a YouTube channel here so that you can have, again, it's most ideal to add a playlist and then source groups, right? You can add a source group here and then add to a website for free. After that, you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.